Welcome to the Unaccepted Debate in Cliff Arena.
Hi, I'm Obama. Wanna play basketball, anyone? No. Just because I'll whoop you.
Quit your jibba jabba, Yoruba shut baseball.
Basketball.
Same thing, and anyway you're a Rubish party leader.
Quit fighting, bros. Just keep coming and carry on.
Be quiet, all of you. The real president here is me, so everyone might as well go home and have a bath.
I like trains, 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 I like train.
Calm down, Obama, stop spamming.
That's the end of the election. Hope you enjoyed. Smile.